partigiano, portami via. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 partigiano, portami via. Che mi sento di morire. E questo fiore del perugiano, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 questo fiore del partigiano, oh la libertà. I want to say two words for you. It's really okay that you are now there, because the job for you is to fill with action this room. If you are at home, yeah, you can get performances like this to fill rooms like this with your performances, and you will be listened by many people. And the second is for me important. The time to say, I beg your pardon, sir. I don't want to disturb you, sir, but I have a question, sir. Is now gone. Yes? You have demands and you have power. With this power, you have to perform, and it's not enough to reach the brains of people. Try to reach the heart of people. Yes? Okay. Vincenzo. Yeah, my revolution.